Today I am going to share with you winter special mutton bone soup recipe which turned amazingly wonderful. You cannot stop eating yourself, and also it is very healthy and immunity booster soup. Here I have taken around 1 kg of mutton bones. You can get this easily into a butcher shop. This is not a mutton paya. This is actually a bone of a mutton. In a pressure cooker, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of ghee. Let it heats up. Then add some whole spices like bay leaves, cinnamon stick, clove, black pepper, shah zira, that is black cumin, etc. Then add 1 chopped onion and saute it only for a minute. Then add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic chili paste. Saute it well so that the raw smells of it will goes off. Now add mutton bones into it. Then add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 2 teaspoon garam masala powder, salt as per taste, add few coriander leaves and saute it well for a few minutes. Then add about 1 liter of water and cover it and pressure cook it for about 30 to 40 minutes on a medium flame. As it's getting done, meanwhile we'll prepare some other things. In a mixer jar, take 1 bowl of grated coconut, add into it half piece of cinnamon stick and 2 pieces of green cardamom. To make this paste smooth, add hot water into it. Here you check a soup, let its pressure goes by its own and then you open its lid. Here it's done nicely. Now with the help of strainer, strain the soup so that all the whole spices will get separated. Here the soup is ready. You could serve this soup in this way, but to enhance its taste, add into it a coconut milk. Again, with the help of the strainer, extract coconut milk. Use your hand to squeeze it. Then simmer it on a low flame for 5 minutes without covering its lid and add that bone which we have separated. At the end, add teaspoon of black pepper powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Let boil comes to it, then turn off the flame. Serve it hot, and for more such quick, simple and easy recipe, stay tuned.